Hey everyone, welcome back to where we dive into the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles, giving you reviews, insights, and everything you need to know to find your perfect ride. Today we've got an exciting bike to look at, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Iron 883. Harley fans and cruiser enthusiasts, this one's for you. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Alright, let's jump into the Iron 883. Harley-Davidson's been producing this bike for years, and it's become one of their iconic models. So what does the 2025 edition bring to the table? We'll go over everything you need to know, from its power and performance to its design features and how it rides on the road. To start off, Harley's retained that legendary 883cc Evolution engine that powers the Iron 883. This engine has a loyal following, and it's known for its classic V-twin sound, its torque, and that satisfying throttle response. Harley didn't make any drastic changes here, and for good reason. This engine defines the Iron 883's character. It's an air-cooled engine, which means you'll get that unique rumble and a raw, powerful feel that's become almost a trademark for Harley-Davidson. When you're on the Iron 883, it's all about that low-end torque. It delivers power exactly where you need it, especially if you're someone who loves the city or shorter, twisty roads. It's not meant to be a highway powerhouse, but more of a street companion, perfect for urban rides and weekend cruising. The power delivery is very approachable, making it a fantastic choice even for those who may be newer to the Harley lineup. One of the first things you notice about the Iron 883 is its stripped-down, minimalistic design. Harley-Davidson has really gone for a back-to-basics look with this bike. This minimalist style has resonated with many riders over the years, and they've kept that classic feel intact. The bike has a tough, almost gritty look with plenty of blacked-out finishes. From the engine to the wheels, you're looking at a dark, almost stealthy aesthetic that makes it stand out. Harley did, however, introduce some subtle updates in the 2025 version. They've refined a few things to give it a slightly fresher appearance, like updated finishes on certain parts of the bike. There are also a few new color options this year that allow you to add a little personal flair if you want. But overall, it's still true to the Iron 883's roots. The riding position on the Iron 883 is another thing that makes it special. You're sitting low with that iconic slightly forward stance. This position is comfortable and natural, giving you great control over the bike. The handlebars are at a relaxed height, making it perfect for longer rides around town without putting too much strain on your back or shoulders. It's a very accessible ride that doesn't demand too much from the rider in terms of physical positioning. In terms of weight and handling, the Iron 883 is manageable and easy to maneuver, even for beginners. Weighing in at around 564 pounds, it has a solid feel without being too heavy, which is important in a city-focused cruiser. The low seat height of just over 25 inches gives you excellent control and confidence, especially for riders who prefer having their feet planted firmly on the ground at stops. Now, let's talk about the suspension. Harley has included a front fork and adjustable rear shocks that give you a decent amount of comfort, although this is a bare-bones bike. Don't expect it to absorb every bump in the road, but it handles well enough for city streets and less challenging roads. Keep in mind, the Iron 883 is all about that raw, undiluted riding experience. It's not built to be a luxury cruiser, it's for riders who love that stripped-down, visceral feel. As for brakes, the Iron 883 has a single disc brake in the front and the rear, with an optional ABS package if you want a bit of added security. The braking setup works well for the bike's size and weight, and with the Iron 883's focus on simplicity, it's enough to give you a responsive and safe riding experience. The braking power is solid, and Harley has made sure it's well suited to the Iron 883's torque-heavy engine. When it comes to technology, Harley keeps things minimalistic on this bike. You won't find advanced tech like ride modes or touchscreen displays here. Instead, you get the essentials: a speedometer, odometer, and the necessary indicators. The Iron 883 focuses more on the riding experience and less on fancy tech. For many Harley fans, this simplicity is exactly what they're looking for: a pure, no-frills ride that keeps you connected to the road and the machine. A lot of people ask, how does it feel to actually ride the Iron 883? If you're looking for a fast, high-tech ride, this isn't your bike. The Iron 883 is all about delivering that authentic cruiser experience. It's not the fastest bike in the Harley lineup, but it's about style, feeling, and enjoying the journey more than reaching top speeds. When you're on this bike, every ride feels like you're connected to the road. The low-end torque gives it a powerful feel, especially when you're taking off from a stop or making tight turns. When we talk about fuel economy, the Iron 883 is relatively efficient for a cruiser with an average of around 45 miles per gallon. For city and light highway use, this bike is easy on the fuel budget, which is a nice bonus. Overall, the 2025 Iron 883 is about staying true to Harley-Davidson's roots while delivering a straightforward, raw riding experience. This bike isn't for everyone, but for those who love the traditional feel of a Harley, it's a dream come true. It doesn't overcomplicate things and gives you exactly what you need without any fluff. The minimalistic approach is refreshing in a world where so many bikes are overloaded with tech. If you're someone who loves that classic Harley look, wants a no-nonsense bike that's easy to ride and maintain, the Iron 883 is worth checking out. It's also relatively affordable within the Harley lineup, making it an attractive option if you're looking to join the Harley family without breaking the bank. Alright, that's our look at the 2025 Harley-Davidson Iron 883. Let us know what you think in the comments. Is this bike something you'd add to your garage? Or is there another Harley model you have your eyes on? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it. Hit that like button if you're a fan of Harley-Davidson, and share this video with anyone you know who's considering a new bike. Until next time, ride safe and keep enjoying the open road.